Hi, my name is Jen Berkman, and I'm the marketing manager with Medical Specialists of the Palm Beaches. We're here today with board-certified neurologist, Dr. Sahyli Perez-Parra. She is also specializing in movement disorders such as Parkinson's disease. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Thank you for having me.
Yes, thank you for being here. I'm so excited. Awesome. So my first question for you is, if you could be anyone for a day, who would it be and why?
Well, if I could be someone else for a day, I think I would be myself again.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I think I probably will try to improve certain things in my life, but I've been trying to do as much as I can and improving myself every day. So I think I would be myself again.
Aw, I love it. I love it. Self-confidence is always beautiful. So that's beautiful.
Thank you.
My second question is, why did you decide to become a physician?
Well, becoming a physician is a long story, but short story is that I did wanted to do something that will be helping people in a meaningful way. And my father was a doctor. He was very motivator. He would motivate us to become doctors, and of course, he wanted us to make sure that we understood what becoming a doctor was. And I can say I didn't know it was going to be hard sometimes. So he was very good at teaching us that there are good days, bad days, but it's an amazing profession. So I think I choose the right one.
Oh, that's your passion. You love helping people.
I do.
So that's incredible. That's a special gift.
It's nice.
My third question is, if you could give advice to your patient on how to maintain their health, what advice would you give them?
Exercises. I am very convinced that exercises is the best way to maintain your health. For example, in my specialty, specifically in Parkinson's disease, exercises has been proven to be very beneficial for health and for the disease and the outcomes of the disease. So I will definitely recommend exercises.
Okay, walking, running.
Any type of exercises that you can do. Okay. Whatever you enjoy doing,
do it every day.
As much as you can, or at least 3 times per week. Wow. That would be a good start.
No one really likes to exercise, but that's very important for our health.
Yes.
That's excellent. And then my other next question is, so what's one thing you wish people knew about neurology?
Well, I think neurology is an amazing field. The brain is beautiful and very interesting. And specifically neurologists, we have to think in a different way to other doctors. When we try to diagnose, we have to identify where is the lesion first to be able to identify what is causing the disease. So it's a kind of a different type of a specialty. And it's always interesting and amazing and fascinating work. So I will recommend to do neurology for sure.
I think studying the brain, that's incredible. You must have quite the memory because there's so many synapses and cells and all sorts of interesting things. So
yeah, it's an amazing field.
Yes, yes. So my last question is, tell us one story about one of your favorite patients.
Well, I have many stories, but I do have one that is particularly touched for me. I had a patient when I was in Georgia, and every time she would come to the office, she will hug me, and she would tell me this is just to keep the good energy flowing, between us and during the office visit. When the pandemic came and we had to close every services and we have to move to telehealth, she will still send me virtual hugs to keep the good energy.
So text? Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, very sweet lady. She was 80 years old. She had a complicated type of disease, and she was still nice and positive. And sensitive and positive.
Yeah. So important to have a positive mental health.
Yeah,
especially with different diagnoses. So
that's what I love from my patients too. They can have very complicated life and diseases, and they still are nice and sensitive.
So that's wonderful. So beautiful. So thank you so much today for speaking with us, Dr. Parra.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yes, thank you. So thank you so much for watching us today. You can follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, and Instagram. See you soon.